Want to play a portfolio investing game? I will show you how to create a paper portfolio with Otos. Why would you do this? Beyond education, experience, and fun, consider this. At some point in your life, you will take control of your investments. More control means better results and lower costs. Otos Portfolio Game will create with you the confidence to take control. So let's create our startup portfolio. In your retirement account, you may own an index mutual fund or an exchange traded fund. These investment portfolio products are managed to replicate the results of a group of stocks called an index. The largest of these investment products replicate the S&P 500 index. It's just a population of stocks. Otis maintains a long list of index populations. If you click on Other Benchmark Indices on your profile page, Otis will display all of the benchmark indices that are currently available. Within that list, you're likely to find the underlying benchmark index that your investment product that you found in your account is designed to replicate. I'll choose the S&P 500 index since it's the largest one, and very likely is the benchmark index that is replicated by the investment product that you own. And it's compared to the Otis Total Market Index, which is simply the total list of companies that Otis has mined the data out of the SEC filings for. When we compare the money tree avatar of the S&P 500 index to the Otis Total Market, we see that the trunk of the tree is shorter, the crown of the tree is smaller and a less attractive color. The pot has a fairly similar shape, except both pots have this sort of unattractive and large bulge in them. So of the three factors that we would look to enhance in our portfolio variation of this benchmark index, we would look to enhance the crown of the tree, the trunk of the tree, and the bulge of the pot. To do that, we return to our profile and select our growth factor preferences. This dismantles the components of the money tree avatar and relates each component to the underlying corporate performance metric that's associated with that component of the avatar. So we want to find all companies that have an improving crown of the tree, all companies that have an improving trunk of the tree, and all companies that have an improving bulge of the pot. Be sure to click Go after every selection, make sure that they all look the way you want them, and return to Profile. And now that we have our growth factor preferences selected, we're going to create the portfolio that will replicate our S&P 500 index with those factors enhanced. To do that, we run our factor search. It comes up with 199 stocks in the list. So we've got a list of a subset of the S&P 500 index, of which we're then going to create as our factor enhanced portfolio. Click on Factor Tilt, and that completes the creation of our paper portfolio designed to outperform the S&P 500 index. Your portfolio and avatar and profile will be updated over the upcoming weekend. Otis will generate an email to inform you that the update is complete. From there, it's about responding to requests from Otis and keeping your money tree attractive. That's all for now. Thank you.